Children's Day is a commemorative date celebrated annually in honor of children, whose date of observance varies by country. In 1925, International Children's Day was first proclaimed in Geneva during the World Conference on Child Welfare. Since 1950, it is celebrated on 1st of June in most communist and post-communist countries. World Children's Day is celebrated on 20th of November to commemorate the Declaration of the Rights of the Child by the UN General Assembly on November 20, 1959. Children's Day began on the second Sunday of June in 1857 by Reverend Dr. Charles Leonard, pastor of the Universalist Church of the Redeemer in Chelsea, Massachusetts. Leonard held a special service dedicated to and for the children. Leonard named the day Rose Day, though it was later named Flower Sunday, and then named Children's Day. Children's Day was first officially declared a national holiday by the Republic of Turkey in 1920, with the set date of 23rd of April. Children's Day has been celebrated nationally since 1920, with the government and the newspapers of the time declaring it a day for the children. However, it was decided that an official confirmation was needed to clarify and justify this celebration, and the official declaration was made nationally in 1929 by the founder and the President of the Republic of Turkey, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. International Children's Day was first proclaimed in Geneva during the World Conference on Child Welfare in 1925. On November 4, 1949, 1st of June was established as the International Day for Protection of Children by the Women's International Democratic Federation in Moscow. Since 1950, 1st of June is celebrated as Children's Day in many communist and post-communist countries. In 1954, Children's Day was proclaimed by the United Kingdom to encourage all countries to institute a day, firstly to promote mutual exchange and understanding among children, and secondly to initiate action to benefit and promote the welfare of the world's children. That is observed to promote the objectives outlined in the Charter and for the welfare of children. On this day, event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.